So this word is
Ear.
which means this word is
Beer.
no, it's bear. You don't see how? It's because it's ear with a B. Bear. That's why. Which means this word would be
Bared.
no. Why would you think? It's bear with a D. Beard. Let's take a step back.
Okay.
This word is,
Bear.
which means this word is
Fair.
no, it's fear. You don't see how? Ear with an F. Fear. Which means ear with a P would be
Peer.
no, it's pear. Remember bear? I guess I'm moving too fast. So ear with an H would be
It'd be hair.
no.
Here.
And then if you add a D,
Heard.
no, it's heard. You know, see how? It's here with a D. Heard. Which means this word would be
Hurt.
no, it's heart. What do you think? Here with a T. Heart. You don't see how? No.